Zbigniew Stypułkowski was born on March 26, 1904, in Warsaw, then part of Congress, Poland. He was a Polish lawyer and politician, member of the Council of National Unity. In 1927, Stypułkowski married Aleksandra Rabska, a fellow lawyer and legal partner, and later a notable émigré political commentator and activist. In 1944, he took part in the Warsaw Uprising. In March 1945, he was arrested by the NKVD and brought to Moscow. After 3 months of interrogations, he was sentenced to 4 months in prison in a staged trial of 16 leaders of the Polish underground state held by the Soviet Union in Moscow. In August, he came back to Poland. Fearing arrest, he fled Poland in November 1945. The arrest, imprisonment, and trial of Polish leaders is described in his 1951 book, Invitation to Moscow. The Polish version of the book was published outside Poland in 1951. In 1991, the book was republished in Warsaw. Hugh Trevor Roper, professor at the University of Oxford, wrote that the book was of unique value and that there is no other evidence known to me from which we can learn, as here, the psychology and method behind these communist trials. Stypułkowski died in London on March 30th, 1979. He was 75 years old and was buried in London. Zbigniew and his wife Alexandra had a son, Andrzej, who also became an émigré activist in the United Kingdom.